Hey guys, Tim here from Concise Tech. So Google sent out these Pixel Buds along with their package with the Pixel 5. So I'm gonna be doing a review of the Pixel 5. I also have this case that they sent out. That's gonna be another video, but I wanna show you a quick unboxing here of these Pixel Buds. I'll be pairing these up with the Google Pixel 5, and I'm really excited to see the charging feature, sharing some of the charge to these buds from the phone. All right, so let's get this open. So that's the first thing you see. You got the charging case here. So let's open this up. Whoop, well, they fell back in the case. But yeah, first impression, these feel very premium. Feels nice, solid in the hand here. That's pretty cool, looks very neat. This is a nice magnetic case. It actually opens very easily as well. And you can see your Pixel Buds there in the top. Okay, so you kind of see the shape there, pretty unique shape and design. Got the magnets on there for going back into the case. Got your ear tips, which also are pretty unique. Actually just kind of part of the earbud there. I think those look really cool, really clean with that white and black look. Again, like most earbuds, these are magnetic as well. They fit back in there, and then they're gonna stay locked in place. So these do have a little bit of weight to them, but that does actually add to the feel of these, and they feel pretty solid and just well made. So on the bottom here is your Type-C charging port. So you're gonna charge them right there. It's nice because it's the same type of charger as your Pixel 5. Like I mentioned, these have wireless charging that you can actually use your phone to wirelessly power. It's pretty neat. When you open it up, you can see here, there's an LED light indicator, as well as on the front here. So looks like that's gonna kind of show you your power, show you that they're on. I'm assuming that blinking there means that they're going into pairing, since I haven't actually paired these and I just opened these up. I really do like that design. I feel like that black and white look really sleek and stylish. Okay, so moving on here. There on the underside are some other size tips for the silicone ear tips. Make sure you definitely want to have the right size. That's going to definitely affect the seal and the sound quality you're going to get. So make sure you're wearing ones that fit and you try those out. And then here is a Type-C to USB cable there that you're going to get for charging. And then there in the bottom, you're going to get some paperwork, you get some warranty info and things like that. So guys, this was just an unboxing of the Pixel Buds here. Like I said, I have the Pixel 5 as well and the Pixel 5 fabric case. Google sent those out. So these are all gonna be reviewed on the channel. These have a very good premium feel to them. I'm very excited to try these out. Like I said, one of my favorite things is gonna be trying these out with the Pixel 5 and using that reverse charging to be able to charge these up straight from that phone. So that's pretty cool, and I'm pretty excited to give that a go. But I'll be doing a full review of these as well as the Pixel 5 here and the Pixel 5 fabric case. So definitely subscribe if that's something you want to see. Thank you guys for watching with me here today. You take care until the next one.